Hi, I'm Austin Edger, a college student who wants to learn how to count cards in blackjack, and I also want to I also want to be able to test myself and my ability to count cards because I'm sick and tired of getting to the casino and then finding out that I wasn't ready to hit the casino. So I'm here at True Count. Welcome to True Count, the best way to learn how to count cards before hitting the casino. Okay. It looks like it's a nice scroller. And let's see, we got a nav bar. Okay, these will take me to the different sections too. Okay, so introduction. Before you start, okay. Before you can use card counting to gain the advantage on the casino, you can significantly cut down the house advantage by following the blackjack basic strategies. Blackjack basic strategies let you know the right play to make to maximize your winnings. Okay, I know blackjack basic strategy. It tells you what to do based on the hands of the card. Yep, I know this because I know strategy already. If you can perfectly follow the strategies, you can reduce the casino's count to less than 0.5%, making blackjack the most advantageous game um, to the player in the casino. Perfect blackjack basic strategy has been determined using probability theory and computer simulations, which have figured out the best play in each situation. For more information about basic strategy, visit, okay, so follow on information. What is counting cards, or what is card counting? On other games in the casino, blackjack is based on dependent events. This means that the past events in the game actually affect the probability of what will happen next. Okay. Advantage players use this probability to predict the future events of the game and gain advantage over the casino. This technique is called card counting. Okay. Well, okay. The process. While while card counting, you will have to play perfect basic strategy, keep an accurate track of the running count, convert the running count into a true count, and size your bets proportionally to the true count. This may sound difficult, but with practice, anyone can learn to gain advantage of a casino. Okay, and what will be covered in this tutorial, we will cover what is called the high-low counting system. The high-low counting system is based on statistical evidence that high cards benefit the player um, more than the dealer, while low cards help the dealer while hurt the player. Okay, pretty simple concept. Okay, so here must be the card counts. So card counts, we have high cards, low cards, and neutral cards, it looks like. High cards are cards that benefit the player. As high cards are depleted from the deck, the player's advantage goes down. Therefore, the count of the deck goes down. Because of this, high cards are assigned a value of -1. Okay, these must be the high cards, 10 through ace. Low cards. Low cards are cards that benefit the dealer. As low cards are depleted from the deck, the dealer's advantage goes down. Therefore, the count of the deck goes up. Because of this, low cards are assigned a value of +1. Okay, so we've got cards 2 through 6 as low cards, and then neutral cards. Neutral cards are cards that benefit neither the player nor the dealer because they have no effect on or on the advantage. Neutral cards are assigned a value of 0. Okay, so these are the neutral cards. Okay, keeping the count. So we got the running count, the true count, and okay. The running count is the sum of counts of all cards that have been played. Okay, so we're adding up all these values that we learned up here. So being able to maintain an accurate running count is crucial to gaining advantage of the casino. Without an accurate running count, all probability is off the table and you are back to gambling. The true count, in order to account for the cards left in the shoe, you will need to convert the running count to a true count before placing your bets. The true count equals the running count divided by the remaining number of decks in the shoe rounded to the nearest half deck. Okay, so this is an example. So we have a running count and decks remaining, and then some cards, and then this must be, okay, the new count after these cards and the new true count. Okay, so we have a running count of +13. 8, 10 is and I guess we could go back up here and reference it. 10 is a high card. So we go from um, 13 to, it'd be -1, so we'd go to 12. 8 is a neutral card, so we're still at 12. Ace is a high card, so we go to 11 plus 11. 6 is a low card, plus 11, and then we go back to +12, and then low card, so plus 12 plus 13 plus 14, and that makes sense, plus 14. Okay, and then the true count, you divide that by the number of decks remaining, which it gave me. So 14 divided by 12. So how many times does 4 go into 14? One time would be 4, 2 times would be 8, 3 times would be 12. And that's as many times it could go in. So that makes sense. The true count's plus 3. Okay. Placing bets. As the true count goes down, the player's advantage also goes down, or the player's advantage also goes up. Sorry, as the true count goes up, the player's advantage also goes up. Therefore, as the true count increases, so does our bets. Okay, that makes sense. A good betting strategy is to bet true count minus 1 betting units. The betting units will be determined by the minimum table bet, for example. Okay, so we got a true count of plus 4 and a table minimum of $25. Okay, that's pretty normal. So your bet would be true count minus 1 times table minimum, which would be, okay, 4 minus 1, true count minus 1, 3 times 25, and that equals 75. Okay, that makes sense. Let's see what you got. Can you keep the count? Next, we will see if you're ready at the casino by testing your abilities to keep a running count and convert it into a true count. For each question, the previous running count will be given along with the number of decks remaining in the shoe. After the cards are shown, you'll have 20 seconds to update the running count and convert it to a true count. Ready? Choose a difficulty. Well, let's start easy. Sorry, I never reloaded the page. Let's start easy. That was because I didn't reload the page after my last recording try. Sorry. Okay. So it looks like we have some X's and a question number. This looks like the previous slide where they had the example. Yeah, right here. Okay. So we just have to fill in the running count and the true count. If I hit start, okay, the cards flip and we got a timer. Oh, wow. Okay. So 12, that would be plus 13 back to 12, and 6 is a low card and a low card, or neutral card. I'm not sure. So let's see. I'm going to put 12 and 2. We'll try that out. Incorrect running count. Well, why? Let's go back to our reference. Oh, okay, 6 was a low card, not a neutral card. Okay, so it's 7 through 8. Okay, so I got 1 strike. Let's try again. Looks like I'm still in the same question, and this has been updated. So we're at 14 right now. 14, 14, 13, 12, 13. So 13 and 6 would go in twice because 6 times 2 is 12, which is less than 13. So that should be right. Correct. Okay, next question. Okay, so now we're at 13, 13, 14, 15, 14, neutral. So now we're at 14, and 6 can go into 14 twice evenly. So we'll try that. Doing pretty good so far. Only have 1 strike. Correct. Nice. Okay, now we're at 14. 14, neutral, neutral, so we're still at 14. Minus 1, so 14, 13, and then 12. So now we're at 12, and the true count would still be 2 because 6 times 2 is 12. If the running count was right. Looking good so far. So 12, 11, 12, 13, 12. 12, okay, we only have 5.5 decks remaining, so it can't, 5, so twice, because 5.5 times 2 would still be less than 12. Okay. Okay, question 5, let's start it. 12, neutral, 12, minus 1, 11, back to 12, back to 11. So 11 and, 11 and 2, because 5.5 times 2 would be 11. So that should be good. Good, okay. Cool. So we're at 11, and now neutral stays at 11. Now we're going to 10, 9, 8. Oh, sorry. 11, 12, 13, 14. 14, and oh man, I better hurry up. 2 should be good. Yep. Okay. We've got 14, 13, 13, 12, 11, 11, 2. Ooh, incorrect running count. Let's see what I did there. 14. This would be 13. Neutral, 13. This would be making it go up, so 14. And this would make it go up 15. Yeah, I don't know what I did there. Let's see, let's try a medium difficulty and see. Oh, okay, so that loads more cards, so that's what the difficulty is. Okay, here we go. We're at 15. 15, 15, 16, 15, 14, 14, 15, 14, 15, 16. So 16 and 2. Nice, correct. Okay, let's see if we can get to 10. 16, 15, 16, 15, 16, 15, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 3. Correct? Okay, I'm gonna put the difficulty back down so we can see if we can beat the test here. Question 9, 17, 17, 17, 17, and then this would make it go to 16, 16, and 3. Correct. And one more, 16, 15, 14, 13, 13. So 13 and 2. And hopefully I don't get it wrong because I only have one more strike, but I think I got it. Congratulations, you're ready to hit the casino. Okay, that's awesome. And you know, I can restart the test. That's really great. And I can change my difficulty. So let's see if we can make it. So yeah, I'm Austin Edger, and this was True Count, the website that teaches you how to play blackjack basic strategy and gets you ready to hit the casino. Thank you.